I'm using Google Nano Banana for the project managers or who are into the field of client servicing. By using cluttered image, you can create a product photography. I mean a real product photography that can stand out into the eyes of your client, and it can also boost your sale. If you are into a product design world, this course will help you go beyond the mid level of creative design into a high level of creative design. And into the presentation, these high quality images will help you a lot. So what we are going to learn in this specific course of how you guys can make an impact by changing just a little bit of images, and that is a presentation. And in the corporate world, presentation is really important. And I am into corporate business, and I am a creative specialist where we handle client presentations daily. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever received a product image from your vendor? Well, let's just say not presentation ready, right? You know what I'm talking about. Those plain boring product shots that you have been embarrassed to share with your premium clients. What if I told you that in the next coming lectures, you will learn how to transform any vendor image into a stunning professional presentation that will make your client go, wow? That's exactly what we are going to do with Google Nano Banana. And in client servicing, presentation is everything. Your client doesn't just buy products, they buy experience, emotion, and confidence that they are making the right choice. Now, let me walk you through exactly what we are covering in this course. We will be diving Google Nano Banana within Google Gemini and learn how to make our product images as they were clicked in a professional environment. How I get images from our vendor. So these are all the images that I got from my vendor, and I am just dragging it out into Nano Banana. This is the first image, as you can see. So this is the gift set, as you can see, and I have dragged this diffuser image into Google Gemini. And go to Google Gemini is really simple. It's just like any Google account you enter your email. It's just like that. It's very easy to enter this. You simply have to search for Gemini, go to Gemini, and this window will pop up in front of you. After that, you have to drag the image here. Very easy. And just add a prompt, that is, give this gift packing a creative background for the client representation. This is just a simple language, no higher end prompt needed here. It just need a simple explanation from your side. That's all. Now let's play it around. After that, I am dragging second image here so that I don't have to wait for another minute. So to save time, I am dragging my another image into prompt area. So what we got? We got really bad image, right? Why we got it? Because we have not explained it in a better way. Cut this image out, and then what we are going to do? We are going to remove the background of this image by using Canva. Once you drag the image into the Canva, and I believe that you know the basics of the Canva, like removing the background. I just drag this image in my Canva, and after that, you simply have to remove the background. As you can see, click on the image and background remover. That's all. With just one click, I have removed the background of this image. After that, I have to download this image and drag it in the prompt area again. Now, let's write another prompt, that is, keep this product into a professional looking environment. Now, let's see what we will got. Yes, we got the result, but it's not complete, right? It's looking like a long process right now to you, but trust me, once you get familiar with this tool, it's really simple and easy. Within 1 or 2 minutes, you will get the results. Now, let's add a red flower. Add red flower pot. Not, this is not going to work. I have to think another way to tell the AI that I missed something. So the product is not accurate, recreate it. That's all I have to do. Now, what I got? Yes, I got the complete project now. As you can see, I simply download this image and use it into my presentation. At the end, we will create a presentation using all these products that we have created. So right now we are using different product. I just drag it into my Canva, and it is a French lavender fragrance with a cup, I guess. So I'm going to use a again same feature, that is background remover in the Canva, and option that is background generator. Now let's try Canva background generator and see what will we get the result. So I'm just giving you an idea, like if you have a question, if we can do this in Canva, we can do that. Let's see the example here. So I'm using a prompt that is keep this product in professional looking background. Now let's create it by using background generator in Canva. So this is the result, and the result is really bad. So let's not use this feature in Canva. Simply remove the background here and use it in the Google Nano Banana. So let's download this image, and after that drag this image and use this prompt, that is do this with this product also. And I know it might not work. As far as I understand, it will not work because there might be some glitch with the Google Gemini. So in the same chat it won't work sometime, and sometime it will work. So I recommend you to use another new chat so it understand it better and work specifically on that product. Sometime it's work, sometime it's not work, and over the time this feature will improve, I believe. I'm using this feature again. Let's see what we will get. As you can see in the text it says correct French lavender, but the image is just repeat that image that we have created earlier, right? So it won't work in the same chat, so we have to create a new chat here with selecting Nano Banana, and using the same step keep that product into professional looking environment. Now let's wait. This is the product that we got here, but I think it's not working properly. Why? Because I think the generation is not that good. So we are using another prompt with the change in the simple prompt that it keep this product into professional looking background where this product pop up. So let's see what we will get here. In the same time, I'm using it in Perplexity just to get to know what it will work and how the Perplexity will work. So to give you an idea about the Perplexity, so this is what we got in the Perplexity. It just recreated all the stuff from the sketch, and I believe it's actually looking way more different from the actual product. So I don't recommend you to use Perplexity at all. And I have used a different product here as for my presentation in the Google Nano Banana. This is what it looked like. It looks amazing. Right now I'm getting back to my same product, and this is the product that I wanted to create. And as you can see, this product is looking way more natural, and I believe it's really good. Let's try this lavender in Perplexity again. Now again I'm using simple prompt like we have used before, that is give this product a professional look and wait for the result again. So in the Perplexity it's really looking very good, but it is not our actual product. So I really won't recommend you to use Perplexity and show with the client. I recommend you to use Nano Banana. Let's see what Nano Banana gave us as a result in this. So by using the same step, that is to drag the image and give the prompt a simple prompt for the lavender, let's see what Google Gemini will create. So it had shared the original image with me. As we have discussed before, we have to use a new chat every time because there might be some glitch with the Google Gemini right now. So we are going to use a new chat and check for our result by using the same step, the same prompt. Let's see what we got. So this is the result, and the result is really amazing. The product image of all the product has been created. So now I am using it in the presentation. So now I believe you know the basics of the presentation. It's not just a rocket science. It is very easy to create. I'm adding a little brightness and contrast into the images so that it might pop up into the eyes of my client. So let's add all the images here, and one by one I am adding extra effects so that this might pop up. So I am adding another image. I'm just trying to add another effect, but before that let's crop it out a little bit. Now go to our picture format, and in that let's change the contrast and the brightness of this particular product image. Now after that add another product that we have created within Google Nano Banana and using the same steps. So our presentation is, let's save your presentation, and finally our presentation is ready. And now you can change the name of the presentation, or if you want to share the product details, that your pricing and all, you can add in the presentation and share with your client. For me, if I am working on actual basis on this particular for project, it might take about 4 to 5 minutes for me to complete this PPT and sharing with the client. By adding a little effort of 5 minutes, that can actually make an impact, and I believe the sales will might go up.